Hey guys, Casey here. This is kind of a video, I guess more for myself, but I thought I would share it with you guys too. I'm going to do a little tour of the farm here. We're moving and relocating the farm to a couple states away, so like I said, I just kind of wanted to document it for my own sentimental reasons and whatnot. But the reason that I'm starting way out here is because these big hay fields right here that we're passing, these were part of the property. This is where we grew and baled all of our hay. And we got Speedy Gonzalez coming up here, but he's going to pass me up. Sometimes these people just haul balls up and down this little country road. But anywho, as we come up along here, here's the house coming up on the right here. And you can see the for sale sign there. And, here's a little field, one of the pastures, the front pasture here. You can see a little Clydesdale colt there, hanging out. Pull in. And this is the barn. Kind of give you an idea what we're in relation to the house here. Anyway, we'll do a full tour here. You'll have to forgive me because everything's kind of a mess because we're packing and moving and got things everywhere. It's been a real challenge here to get everything packed up. There's hay storage. We've got a ton of stuff in there right now because, like I said, we're moving. Grain freezer, and we've got 7 stalls here, full with runouts. Don't use these stalls all too often because it's just healthier for horses to be out to pasture. But you can see there. That's what you get. That's what it's like to be in a stall, guys. You said there's seven of them here, back and forth. One of the cool things about this barn is it actually has there's like a little apartment in here. And it's full of stuff too. Like I said, moving a farm is a lot of stuff, and some of this is actually the new owners. It's a long story, but they're kind of moving in as we're kind of moving out. But you know, it's like a full apartment, a little studio apartment. You got a sink, fridge, and there's a full bathroom back here, and there's a shower behind the door. That's where we kept all of our horse medical stuff. Mostly empty now. We'll head back out here. There's a barn cat. Say hello, Studley. There's so many cats running around here, it's crazy. Most of them are friendly too, but excuse me, I'm still kind of fighting off this cold here. Feeling better, but that cough just won't go away. And everything's just overgrown because we have been hightailing it to pack and get out of here. Manure spreader. Give you a little idea. Back to the barn there. And this is the indoor arena. Probably one of my favorite things about this farm. Very cool little area. My dad, he built all of the wooden stuff you see in here and put up all the movable fences. It's pretty easy to do that, but he built up all the hitches and built this tack room here. We had a full PA system that you put on a headset, walk around and do training and stuff like that. I think that belongs to the new owners. We pulled ours out of here, but everybody's gear. And we board horses here for other people, so most of this is their stuff. We've got ours pretty much packed up and shipped off. And I'll walk around back this way. A mounting block. There's this is some of the hay that we baled up a few weeks ago. I'm gonna keep it stored in here. I'm in the process of selling a lot of that off, and of course we feed our own horses out here too. So gets a little sun bleached after it sits for a while. You can kind of see the top there. It's a little more sun bleached, and then you get down into it. It's just real pretty green. We do alfalfa and grass hay around here. There's a stall over there, and there's 2 stalls over here. My dad put in all of the lighting here that you see. He built the sprinkler system because you have to water this dirt, and see it gets really dry and dusty if you don't. When we get to riding horses around in that, it gets pretty dusty pretty quick. But I haven't watered it for a while. I've been kind of busy. And come out the back here. This is the obstacle course. The chuck wagon. We've had many good cookouts with that sucker. A set of stocks for shoeing troublesome horses if you have to. There's lots of different obstacles out here. Things like the gate. Open the gate from horseback. The fun teeter-totter. Get on here with your horse and get your horse to go over. Kind of a scary thing for a horse. Little stair step. Big fat tire. Go over that on your horse. And here's the streamer obstacle. And try to keep the wind out of the camera. I don't know if I will, but we got most of the streamers off there right now. But yeah, put a bunch of ticker tape streamers on there, and walk through with your horse. And it's a pretty scary thing for a horse. You'd be surprised how difficult it is, especially a horse that's not accustomed to stuff like that. Little bridge. And great. It's a loud, scary noise for a horse, and something strange to stand on. This here, I call this the water fountain. This doesn't look like much, but oh my goodness. Get on your horse, and when they step on it, all this water comes splashing out. And that is a challenge. Anyhow, there's a couple more obstacles on there. I'm not going to explain them, but it is what it is. I just don't feel like it. I know what they are. So here's one of the back pastures. Well, actually 3 of them. There's a pasture here. Pasture there, and making sure that the shelter back there. And here right up front, got Lily and Jack, Sam, and Lance are hanging out back there by the feeder. We're gonna walk back there. But she wants her butt scratched. That's her thing. Oh, and she's gonna fart at me too. Whoops. I accidentally hit the button. I got to laughing. Anyways, there's some horse shit for you. Thanks, Tabby. Appreciate that. You come and just shit right in my face. I'm recording. Oh, you're a sweet girl. Oh, goodness. And there's the round pen, just to give you a perspective of where we are here. And Mrs. CJ, my dear sweet girl. This is my pony. Hi, darling. Hi, sweet pea. What you doing? What you doing, darling? CJ is she's a quarter horse, a lineback dun, just as sweet can be, aren't you, darling? Aren't you, baby? And that's Taylor over there. All right, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. We're just about getting back to where we started. Usually there's a whole lot more trailers that are out here. My trailer and Dad's big 4-horse slant and how they're all down in another state already. And there goes another barn cat. And we're going to be taking a big black one with us too, along with the utility trailer over there. Place that here. And this will kind of be almost the last of the horses that are out here right now. This is Penny. The little blaze on her head. Say hi, sweet pea. Hi, sweet pea. There's Hank. He belonged to my mom before she died this February. Here we are, pretty much back at the barn where we started. We're going to say hi to the baby. Well, he's pooping too. Everybody's pooping. He is 8 months old, and look at how huge he is. Him still learning. He's just learning. Got a lot to learn still, huh? Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Look at them feet. He's got the prettiest little eyes. Anyways, that pretty much wraps it up. Sapelo Farm. And I gotta admit, I am gonna miss this place. No question about it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I did this mostly for myself, but thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. Anywho, we'll catch you later.